Shiringi milioni 7.5 nicio kambuni ya LG ikiranire ngirimiti na kiama kia andiki a mohoro ma mathako guku bururi-ini SJAK gukorwo ikihuthika hari utugi wa muthaki mwega makiria oro mweri wa mubira wa maguru mwaka uyu. Akiaria hingo ya mihang'o ya kweruhia ngirimiti ya wiguanĩri, Maureen Kimuto uria ni murugamiriri wa mihang'o ya ukinyanĩria ya LG oigite mongereire kimanjika giki kuma shiringi milioni 3 mwaka muthiru arita njira ya kwambararia ikiro cia uthaki guku bururi-ini, kuona athaki aingi aria manakorwo matugitwo aingi riu maratungata ligi-ini cia mubira mabũrũri-inĩ matiganĩte, amwe ao arita Medi Kagere, Elvis Lupia na George Blackberry.
For the monthly awards, we've seen an increased competition in our local league. We've all seen players, as he said, who have gone to international teams, and for us, we believe this has improved the quality of football in the country.
Handũ-inĩ ha SJAK, Chris Mbaisi agacokia ngatho akiuga unyitanĩri uyu ni uteithĩrĩirie irabu na athaki kwĩrutanĩria makiria.
A lot in terms of discovering talent and even inspiring some players to take up football and win the award. Some of them who have won the award have gone on to play internationally, including
Kungi kirabu kia FC Leopards mweri umwe thutha wa kũhe wĩra kocha Adri Kasambugo, kuri na muhuhu ati kocha uyu arorete guikio nja kumana na kiria kirekuirwo ni moimirira moru ma igwe. Kocha wa Temilili Sugar Francis Baraza arerikana woretwo iguru ni utongoria wa AFC ona gutuika matire mararia nake. Ukinyiria riu AFC mari namba 13 na pointi 13 murugamo-ini wa ligi ya Kenya Premier League, kuria makureire maitho gukorwo magikio nja kimera tukite.
Umekosa.
Kiribotera metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.